this award is just not for me, but for all the Goans, all the kids. So I'm very sure that all the kids and parents especially will get motivated and inspired to do well in sports. Because I think nowadays when I started playing chess, it was around 25 years back. That time hardly few players used to play, especially girls. But now if you see, the total chess scene in Goa has completely changed thanks to all the organizers here, All Goa Chess Association, for organizing so many tournaments in Goa. So I'm very sure that all the kids are getting inspired and they would also like to, achieve these awards. So I'm really hopeful that we'll get Arjuna award soon for chess in Goa.
For whom you give the credit for this Arjuna award?
Oh, this is very important question, I feel. First of all, my parents who supported me throughout my journey, my coaches, Gokhale sir, and all other coaches. And at the same time, I would like to, I'm really grateful to my previous sponsors, Srinivas Dempo sir and Goa Carbon Limited, because of whom I could actually play so many international tournaments till 2020. So I'm grateful to all of them, all the media people who supported me in my journey, who, helped me to reach all the states, all the houses in Goa and India. So I'm grateful to everyone, all the fans and my teachers, my friends. Thank you so much.
Yes, award.
Yes, I'm really honored and very happy, grateful that I have received these Arjuna awards. It's everybody's dream, especially sports person's dream, to win these Arjuna awards, and I'm happy that Goans have got it after 22 years. So I'm extremely happy, and thanks to the government of India and Goa CM Pramod Sawantji for inviting me here to meet and congratulated me. So I'm really happy.
What are the kind words that CM told you after when you met him today?
The main thing he told that he was very happy that Goa got it after 22 years, and he wished me all the best for my upcoming nationals. So I'll be leaving for my nationals after 2 days. प्रोग्राम होता जिथे आम्हाला दोनदा आय कुड एक्सपिरियन्स इट, कारण आम्हाला एक दिवस अगोदर, हा 30 नोव्हेंबरला झाला, सो 29 नोव्हेंबरला आम्हाला रिहर्सल होत्या. सो तिथे परत एकदा अवॉर्ड मिळाल्याचं वाटलं, आणि दुसऱ्या दिवशी परत हा मेन प्रोग्राम झाला. सो इट वॉज ग्रेट. आणि राष्ट्रपती आमच्या मॅडम मुर्मूजींकडनं हा अवॉर्ड मिळाला, त्यामुळे इट वॉज व्हेरी स्पेशल की एक one of the wonderful and a smart fighter lady is giving me award. So it was something special. Yeah.